JD6 motor integrated protector is suitable for long-term or intermittent overload and phase-out protection of AC motors with AC 50 Hz. Rated insulation voltage below AC 690V, and rated operating current of 0.58 400A. Protectors are generally used in conjunction with AC contactors. Meet the standards, IEC 6094741. It has the following characteristics: 3-phase electronic type, the tripping level is 10A, it has the functions of phase failure and overload protection, it has a continuously adjustable device for setting current. The 3 indicator lights indicate phase failure, operation, and overload working status respectively. The main circuit adopts through core wiring. Current setting range: the range from the minimum value of the current setting to the maximum value of the current setting is 100 to 50A. Overload protection: when any phase of the 3-phase current of the main circuit exceeds the specified value, the protector will act within the